Okay, guys, special assignment. What was it, 3 nights ago? We were here and I had hazelnut with coconut. And I don't even want to have another gelato, to be honest with you, because, I'm trying to cut back a little bit, get ready for summer. But I can't let the week go until I try hazelnut with vanilla. So we're at Gelato & Co. and we're on La Solis. And here we go. We're going to check it out. You ready, V? What do we got? It's good. They got good gelato. I'm just telling you. How you guys doing tonight? You doing good? Give me some love. All right, good stuff. All right, I'll let you know how it goes. Okay, guys, what's the verdict? I can't figure it out. So I'm going to have to come back tomorrow and have another hazelnut coconut, probably with the hazelnut vanilla, both. And I'll have to have a taste off. I don't know. They're so good, both of them. I can't decide. All right. To be continued.